I spent some time today cleaning up and maintaining my belt sander. It's a I think it's 430 belt sander with a 6-inch disc. I use it a lot. Comes in handy, especially the disc. But I've started using the belt sander a lot more than I have in the past. Matter of fact, I'd like to have two. I'd like to have one set up on one side of my sanding bench and the other on the other. Maybe with different grits in it so that they're always ready to go. Anyway, what had happened was you turn the unit on and it would start, but then it would stop. It would hum. So I read went on YouTube, looked it up, and I also read the owner's manual. Didn't sound like a lot of good things when that condition happened. So I started taking it apart. I looked at the switch area here. Didn't see anything wrong. There is a relay winding in that. So the power comes in, there's a relay, then it goes to the motor. So thought, well, maybe the relay went bad. Maybe the switch is bad. But so I started taking it apart because I thought I was going to have to take the motor apart to see if there was anything wrong with the motor, because that's I guess the worst condition is that the motor's gone, because a lot of these older Sears machines, parts are not available. So you have to find scavenged parts, or you have to find maybe a replacement part of some type. So anyway, it's not easy anymore. So I thought before I took it apart, or took the motor apart, that I would try a couple of easy things. So I took bearing cleaner here, and on the other side, through this grid here, I put some cleaner in it. Actually, it's garage door cleaner, but it says it works for bearings. And lo and behold, that was good. That was a good thing to do. So bearing cleaner, and then I thought, well, while I'm doing it, I would do the roller. So there's a bearing here. There's a bearing on this side here. And then there's a bearing up here. And a bearing here. And I made sure that they turn freely, and works like a champ now. So while I was there, I replaced the disc. It's a new one. And I'm going to put it back together again and put it back in service. So probably a good idea, maybe once in a while, to become familiar with your tools, intimate as they say. And so they last a good long time. This, I think I picked up at a garage sale. Oh gosh, probably 25 years ago, between 20 and 25 years, and maybe paid $50 then. I don't know, maybe it was less than that. Anyway, it was a good deal. It's lasted a long time, and I've used it a lot. I'm glad to have it.